Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can repost a video on TikTok. Okay, basically there's two main definitions to reposting. Reposting a video that you already got on your account, like it's your own video. Basically you would go, you have your video and you would take that video and you re-upload it. Okay, that is the definition of reposting. There's a different reposting that it's a new it is a new feature in TikTok. Basically, once you're in TikTok and you're watching a video, let me just go up over here, and you're watching a video. After the video ends, okay, there's going to be there's an option where it shows something called repost right above the person's name, but you need to watch the video multiple times. Now, if you want to repost the video quicker, you're going to click on share, and then from share, you're going to find something right beside WhatsApp, which is repost. Once I click on this button, as you can see, I reposted. Now, reposts basically are the videos that you repost are going to appear to your friends much more often, okay? So if there's a video that you like and you want your friends to see indirectly, you can repost and it's going to show up on your friends. So, and actually, if you see a video that your friends reposted, it's going to show you blah 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 reposted the video. So yeah guys, that was basically how you can repost on TikTok. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.